In this video, I'm going to break down YouTube TV pricing for 2025, including the base plan and premium add-ons, so you know exactly what you're paying for. Base plan YouTube TV's base plan costs $82.99 per month and includes over 100 live channels, including ABC, CBS, FOX, NBC, ESPN, and more unlimited cloud DVR storage to record all your favorite shows and sports, up to 6 user profiles and 3 simultaneous streams. Promotional offer. New subscribers may get a limited-time promotional offer of $49.99 per month for the first 2 months, saving $33 each month. After that, the price returns to $82.99 per month. Premium add-ons. YouTube TV also offers several premium add-ons. 4K Plus add-on, $9.99 per month. Ultra HD streaming, offline downloads, unlimited home streams. Entertainment Plus, $29.99 per month. HBO Max, Paramount Plus with Showtime, and Stars Sports Plus with NFL RedZone, $10.99 per month. NFL RedZone and other sports channels. Spanish Plus, $14.99 per month. 28 plus Spanish language channels. So, to sum it up, the base plan is $82.99 per month with promotional deals for new users, and you can add premium features like 4K streaming, premium networks, or sports channels for an extra fee depending on your needs. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more YouTube TV tips and tutorials.